Welcome to the introduction of CR's Revamped ICRIS. ICRIS is the short form of the name of CR's system, that is Integrated Companies Registry Information System. We are going to let you know why we need to revamp ICRIS, introduce to you the new features and different electronic services under our new system. Why do we need to revamp ICRIS? The existing ICRIS has been in service for over 18 years since its first launch in February 2005. In order to keep pace with the rapid technology advancement to meet the increasing workload and bring about improvement to public services, CR embarked the project for revamping ICRIS in late 2018. The revamped ICRIS will replace all existing information systems as a mission-critical IT cornerstone of CR supporting its core business operations, including registration of companies and statutory returns and provision of public search services. The revamped ICRIS will be launched on the 27th of December, 2023. After the launch of our new system, a brand new e-services portal will be introduced. The new e-services portal will provide a single integrated online platform that supports CR's different electronic services including the e-filing and e-search services. Users can also access the portal through a single logon with a unified user account. That means users will no longer require to remember different user IDs and passwords separately for e-filing and e-search services. They will only need one set of user ID and password to access all of our electronic services in future. Different services are also signified by different colors, for example, e-filing services in green and e-search services in blue, for easy identification. Users can access different services available to him or her, listed different pages without logging out and logging in again. These are some images of our new e-services portal. Major services are displayed prominently on each page so that users can choose and access the services easily. Users can subscribe different electronic services during the user account registration process or in the user account maintenance section later after successful registration. Users can start accessing different services with a unified user account upon completion the registration process. Now, we have different portals for different electronic services being accessed by different devices. For example, the Cyber Search Center and Company Search Mobile Service are two portals for accessing by desktop computers and mobile devices respectively. For optimal viewing and interaction experience, our e-services portal will adopt a responsive web design. The layout of the pages will be adjusted according to the screen size, and users can access our services by using different desktop and mobile devices. As mentioned before, major services will be displayed prominently for easy access. E-filing function services relating to incorporation applications, registration of companies and change of company names, etc. will be grouped under a separate incorporation page to facilitate use by frequent users. For functions relating to filing of other documents, they will be grouped under the filing page. In the existing system, file-based e-forms are being used for electronic submission. Users need to download an external software to open and edit the forms. In the new system, all existing e-forms will be replaced by web forms, so users can open and fill in web forms provided by our e-filing services directly. Users can save the web forms online anytime for editing and submission later. Draft e-forms saved on the portal before can be retrieved for subsequent update prior to submission. Besides, accept specified forms and associated documents which can be submitted electronically through our existing system. The electronic submission services will be extended to cover delivery of documents other than specified forms, and other documents which are required to be delivered to the Registrar of Companies under various ordinances and other miscellaneous services. As you may be aware, the government will adopt the business registration number as the unique business identifier for different legal entities in Hong Kong from the 27th of December, 2023. Since company registration number will cease to be used, all related input fields and labels will be revised to business registration number for our e-search services pages. Users will need to input business registration number for searching and identifying companies in future. To assist users in checking the business registration number of a company or entity, a quick search function on mapping of business registration number and company registration number for existing companies and entities will be provided at the top of the landing page of the e-search services. There will also be a separate page for access to withheld information and protected information. Specified persons can apply for disclosure of the reported full identification numbers and residential address of natural persons being withheld or protected from public inspection by accessing this service. Other value-added services, such as e-monitor and annual return e-reminder services, will continue to be provided to registered user. Registered users can make use of the e-monitor service to keep track of the filing records of a company. Annual return e-reminder service is free of charge. Upon subscription of the service, registered users will receive electronic notification for delivering annual returns. This service will be extended to unregistered users sometime after the launch of our revamped system. Unregistered users can also enjoy the service by simply providing their email addresses. So stay tuned. This is the end of the introduction of our revamped ICRIS. Thank you.